Bullish Synthetix cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7.23 and $15.74 by 2030. Market examiners accept SNX could reach $7.23 by 2025. Bearish Synthetix market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.28. Synthetix presentation. Prior to changing to Synthetix, in 2018, Kind Warwick made the Haven convention. Its underlying contribution was exceptionally effective. It raised an incredible $30 million by giving 60 million HAV tokens. The need to foster digital forms of money that reflect the exhibition of government-issued types of money like the US dollar and the euro on a few blockchain networks, particularly Ethereum and EOS, educated the creation regarding Haven. By 2018, Haven had extended its objectives to incorporate the advancement of engineered resources for digital currencies and products. Subsequently, Haven was changed into Synthetix. Synthetix immediately brought $3.9 million up in 2019 through the issuance of SNX, its local tokens, recommending the development of pivotal blockchain advancement. In 2020, Synthetix supplanted administration by the non-benefit establishment with decentralized independent associations, which gave SNX holders casting a ballot rights to fostering the Synthetix environment. What is Synthetix? Synthetix is a convention based on the Ethereum blockchain, which gives a stage to crypto clients to get to a few cryptos and non-crypto resources like files and products, among others. It is a decentralized money programming convention fueled by a lot of shrewd agreements on the Ethereum blockchain. Synthetix gives crypto clients admittance to substantial world resources without fundamentally buying this resource. That's what the previous assertion intends. Without genuinely possessing any gold bars, one could purchase a synth resource made to mirror the presentation of the gold and in this manner benefit from the value enthusiasm for the gold. Synthetix means to extend the crypto market to incorporate non-blockchain resources by making collateralized synth resources. To make synth resources on Synthetix, clients should get the Synthetix token. Accordingly, SNX fills in as securities that license makers to create their synth resources. The course of Synthetix is a powerful one. The laws of the market decide the cost of the SNX. Hence, the quantity of synths available for use might increment or lessening to reflect the value vacillations of the SNX. This truly intends that assuming the cost of the SNX rises, Synthetix will deliver the level of locked security to the client, which approaches the rate expansion in cost. These can then be utilized to make new extra synths. Synthetix major examination. Synthetix possesses an essential situation in the crypto business as a result of its capacity to give admittance to non-blockchain resources through synths. This implies that financial backers who at first needed admittance to explicit business sectors and items can now get to them civility of Synthetix. This reconciliation of non-blockchain resources holds a huge chance of extension for the crypto local area, which could reinforce the commitment of Synthetix to the crypto space and extend its fortunes. Adaptability. Synthetix framework, assets, and items are on the Ethereum blockchain. This means the infrastructural improvement of the Ethereum blockchain will have a constructive outcome mechanically on Synthetix. For example, moving to Layer 2 upon the sending of ETH 2.0 would scale the stage essentially. Joint efforts. Synthetix has solidly established its establishment in the crypto market with the end goal that it is beyond difficult for any tempestuous tides to suffocate it under the waters of dead coins and tasks. Synthetix is working with Chainlink to give clients exact and convenient market information. It cooperated with Ben Money to make Ben pools for manufactured Ether, engineered US dollar divided by 3 CRV, and manufactured Bitcoin. Synthetix likewise has the sponsorship of a few investment financing its Web3 project. Synthetix current cost. Synthetix is right now worth $1.61 USD. SNX has moved 11.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $54,710,745. Synthetix is at present position 69 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $490,865,823 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Synthetix market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Synthetix Value Forecast 2022. Synthetix, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SNX cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $2.41. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.25 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SNX is supposed to have a base worth of $1.93. Synthetix Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Synthetix SNX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SNX will before long outperform $4.01. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SNX's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SNX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.53. Synthetix Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.62 and SNX might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. SNX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.14 and a low of $4.82 in 2024. Synthetix Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Synthetix effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the SNX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SNX will be green in 2025. The SNX is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $7.23, with a base cost of $6.42 and a typical cost of $6.74. Synthetix Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SNX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.35 by 2026, with a base cost of $8.03 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SNX has a greatest value worth of $8.83. Synthetix Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $9.96. In the event that SNX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $10.44. Neglecting to accumulate the help SNX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $9.64. Synthetix Value Forecast 2028. While SNX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $11.24 and a yearly cost close above $12.04 in 2028. Synthetix Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Synthetix will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $12.85 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $13.65, averaging out at $13.17. Synthetix Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture futures